Anirayam, good morning, 10th class. Today we will discuss bones and cartilage. Okay, bones basically they are from our skeletal system. Okay, the human skeletal system is basically made up of bony framework, but in certain part there is also cartilage is also present. So human overall skeleton is made up of bony framework, but in certain parts this framework is supplemented by cartilage. Okay, let's start our first topic, which is cartilage. Cartilage basically it is a type of connective tissues. Okay, both bones and cartilage, they are type of connective tissues, and it is basically dense clear blue white firm connective tissues. It is strong, but it is comparatively less strong from the bones, and the cells of the cartilage is known as chondrocytes. Okay, and if we talk about structure, this is a diagram shows the structure of cartilage, and these cells of cartilage, which is known as chondrocytes, they are present in the matrix of the cartilage, and in the matrix there is actually fluid filled space which is known as leucana. In leucana there is cells which is known as chondrocytes. So cartilage cells which is known as chondrocytes, they lies in a fluid space called leucana present in the matrix of the cartilage. Okay, this matrix basically made up of collagen fibers. Okay, matrix of cartilage is made up of collagen fibers, and but blood vessels do not present in the cartilage. Okay, and actually there are three types of cartilage. We will discuss them. Before that, there is recalling. Cartilage and bones are type of connective tissues in animals, and most connective tissues contain collagen fiber in matrix. Okay, both bones and cartilage, they are made up of connective tissues, and these connective tissues, they are formed from the collagen fibers. Similarly, tendons and ligaments, they are also connective tissues, and they are also contain tightly packed collagen fibers. We'll discuss tendons and ligaments in this chapter in our next classes. Okay, first we will discuss types of cartilage. Actually there are three types of cartilage. This is important regarding papers में अक्सर ये क्वेश्चन आ जाता है. What is cartilage? What is the cells of the cartilage? What is the structure of cartilage? अभी हमने डिस्कस किया कि cells को हम cartilage के cells को हम कहते हैं chondrocyte structure. अभी हमने डिस्कस किया कि it is present inside the matrix, leucana के अंदर present होता है, and इसकी types भी important हैं papers के लिहाज से. लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन भी ये आ जाता होता है कि 4 मार्क्स का डिफरेंट टाइप्स जो हैं कार्टिलेज की डिस्क्राइब करें. ओके, फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ द कार्टिलेज इज हेलाइन कार्टिलेज, एंड देन elastic cartilage, and third type is fibrous cartilage. Okay, first one is haline, is strong because it's a type of cartilage, and it is flexible. Okay, and it is found in the covering the ends of long bones in nose, larynx, trachea, and bronchial tubes. These are the location of haline cartilage. Okay, this is basically diagram shows the haline cartilage. This is the ends of bone where haline cartilage is present. So this haline cartilage basically they found covering the ends of long bones. Okay, okay, next type of cartilage is elastic. Elastic cartilage is similar in structure of haline cartilage, but is strong but also it has elasticity due to the presence of elastic fibers. Okay, elastic fibers are present in addition of collagen fibers. Collagen fibers, as you know, cartilage are made up of collagen fibers. In elastic cartilage, uh, elastic fiber is also present with the collagen fiber, and it is present in epiglottis and pinna. These are the location of elastic cartilage. Okay, this figure basically shows the elastic fiber cartilage. Okay, next is the fibrous cartilage. Fibrous cartilage is tough and less flexible due to large number of thick collagen fiber present in knitted form. Okay, fibrous cartilage is very tough because collagen fiber जो है वो knitted form में होते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा, तो that's why it is very tough but less flexible, and it is found in the intervertebral discs. Okay, they are present in intervertebral disc. So these are the different types of elastic cartilage, hyaline cartilage and elastic cartilage and fibrous cartilage. And this diagram shows the fibrous cartilage, and it shows it is present in intervertebral disc. Inside these vertebra, this shows the fibrous cartilage. Okay, this figure also represent different types of cartilage. For example, what type of cartilage these are? Cartilage of epiglottis is the elastic cartilage, and cartilage of larynx is the hyaline cartilage, and cartilage of trachea is also hyaline cartilage. So these are the different types of cartilage shown in this figure. Okay, so this is cartilage. Okay, next is the bones. Bone is also a type of connective tissue, and it is the hardest connective tissue in our body. Okay, bone is the hardest connective tissue, and bone, what are the functions of bone? It not only moves, support and protect the various part of the body, but it also produce red and white blood cells and store minerals. So these are the different functions of bones, that it help in movement and protection, and it also support the different parts of the body. And there are different red cells like red blood cells and white blood cells produced in the bone marrow में produce हो रहे होते हैं. And there are different minerals like calcium, phosphate, they are also stored in the bones. Okay, now what is the structure of the bone? Bone का structure किस तरह से कैसा होता है? This diagram basically show the structure of bones. The hard outer layer of bone is called as, this is the hard outer layer of the bone, and this is called as compact bone. Okay, and it's very hard, and inside this hard compact bone there is soft porous portion which is called as spongy bone. So inside the bone there is soft and porous part which is known as spongy bone. Okay, and this spongy bone contain blood vessels and bone marrow. Okay, so this is the structure of bone. Outer side of the bone is hard and it is known as compact bone, and inside there is soft and porous portion which is known as spongy bone, and in this spongy bone it contain blood vessels and bone marrow. And like cartilage, matrix of the bone also contain collagen. So inside the bone there is collagen is present, but it also contain minerals like calcium and phosphorus. Okay, now the cartilage cell is actually made up of only single type of cell, but bone is made up of different type cells, and these cells of bones is known as osteocytes. Okay, osteocytes are the cells of bone. This is also important regarding पेपर में पूछ लिया जाता है what is osteocytes or what is chondrocytes or what is the bones of cells of bone called osteocyte, and what is the cells of cartilage called, which is called as chondrocytes. इसके अलावा difference भी आ जाता है, what is the difference between chondrocytes and osteocytes. So these are different points which is important regarding this lecture. इसमें जैसे मैंने अभी पहले भी आप लोगों को बताया था कि इट्स वेरी शॉर्ट चैप्टर बट इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रिगार्डिंग पेपर के हिसाब से भी बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. तो सो दिस इज़ द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ बोन. ओके, नाउ देयर इज सम इंफॉर्मेशन. Babies have more bone, and they are 300 bones they are present in the babies, and basically they are soft bones, and when these babies grows, these bones fuse together, and then adult skeleton is made up of 206 bones. So human adult skeleton contain 206 bones, and babies contain 300 bones. ठीक है, दिस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट रिगार्डिंग MCQs के हिसाब से पूछ लिया जाता है. ओके, इसके अलावा दिस डायग्राम आल्सो शोज द इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ बोन्स. इसमें बोन मैट्रिक्स भी शो हुआ है. ओके, एंड देयर इज सेल्स ऑफ bone which is called as osteocytes, and there is canal showing which contain blood vessels. So this diagram shows the internal structure of bone. Okay, learn this and also practice the diagram. इस पे डायग्राम की प्रैक्टिस करनी है, बोन की डायग्राम. इसके अलावा जो कार्टिलेज का मैंने आप लोगों को बताया कि लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन के लिए आ जाता है, तो इसकी जो डिफरेंट डायग्राम्स है कार्टिलेज की, हेलाइन, फाइब्रस, उसकी डायग्राम की प्रैक्टिस करें और मेक MCQs शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस. ओके, अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.